Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here in our farm. This is our farm day again. It's a Saturday and everyone is here. So we're gonna start planting again because yesterday we have a very nice and heavy rain. So we are here to add more to our plants here and trees. So I hope that you will enjoy watching my video. So stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so this is our papaya and it's now bearing fruits right there. And the malunggay. Okay, so we have here my sister-in-law trying to remove the weeds on the calabasa plant. Hello, Ate Mel. So this is the okra lane. As you can see, we're gonna have to get the fruits in a bit. This is our ampalaya lane. So there you go. There's fruits already that we can harvest. This is our tomatoes, but it looks like there's nothing to be harvested. But no, there's a little bit. There's some right there. Actually, right there. Okay, this is our patola. And we're gonna get some of the fruits in a bit. So right there, it's gonna be good for the soup, patola soup. Right there. This is a kamachili. This was given to us by our dear friend, the brother Jerry. Right there. He gave us 2 trees right there. We also have sirguelas, or in our dialect, siniguelas. So we're gonna have siniguelas here in our farm. It's a tropical fruit. This is a tamarind. This was given to us by Chriselle's friend. Our bananas, look, it's growing like a baby bananas already on the side, as you can see. Another fruit that we have is the olives tree. So we planted this like 2 months ago. So it's now growing. So growing big. Another tree that we have here is the balimbi, or what we call in our dialect is balimbing. So I hope this will thrive here in our area. Another fruit that we have is the passion fruit. So it's now growing. Okay, there you go. Another tree that we have is pomegranate. So we've been planting all these tropical trees since the COVID started. So it's now like almost 4 months, and as you can see, they're already like growing. Okay, so all the way to the back. This is our Chico. So this will be our Chico lane right there until the end of the line right there. So this is our sour soap, or what we call guyabano. So this will be our guyabano lane right there. Alright. Okay, as you can see, the farm is still not complete, so we still have to plant more and more and more and more. So it's still bare, but hopefully we can already complete it during this fall season. So ready for the next round.